Something else to consider. This is you may or may not have seen it, but is live chat on the website. And I mean, there's ways. We're actually I'm still looking into this to make sure that we're going to implement the best strategy for our clients. But there's different ways where you can do like Facebook Messenger chat, or have a company on the other end that messages for back and forth with the prospect, or you can have live chat integrated with text messaging. I'm still analyzing and trying to make sure that what we implement for our customers is going to be the best strategy and convert best. But I'm thinking the text, because again, everybody on this call, majority of you probably sent a text message today, right? It's becoming more and more common. Some people don't even like picking up the phone to talk anymore for whatever reason. So live chat is something else to consider, because a lot of people end up on your website and they might not call or fill out the web form. This is another avenue to catch that lead. Some people might just want to type real quick. They might have one question. If they type in the chat box, somebody responds back, they're like, oh, okay, I'm already engaged with somebody. Then you can maybe convert them to a call at that point, or help them with a question, and maybe get out there and provide them an estimate and help them out. So just something to consider, because one thing I have seen that the live chat, because obviously you don't want to implement a strategy if it's not going to help, right? Some things you just don't know, but studies are showing that it's increasing the conversion rate by 35%. Or capturing 35% more leads. So, and this is kind of what the chat, for those of you who haven't seen it, this is just an example of like a chat. There's just like a little dot that sits in the bottom right hand corner. You click it, you can type in the info, and you can connect with a live person to chat. And another thing is, this is kind of a bonus thing, or something just to keep in mind, is the proximity to the customer. For those of you that are on last month's webinar, we talked about how city pages specific to your service areas are extremely important for not only, ranking in that city that you cover, but it's also important for conversion. And because if I'm searching if I'm in Mount Pleasant, South Carolina, and I end up on a Mount Pleasant page for water damage versus just a generic Charleston page, for example, I'm more likely to call because I'm thinking, hey, this company's close to me. And then in the back of my mind, people want somebody at their house now, immediately. So if they land on a city page close to them, that leads to better conversion, because that way the customer's not thinking, oh, they're probably an hour and a half away, I don't have time for that. So this is just, we have a way of setting it up with we have an app where we create heat maps, as you can kind of see here. I mean, this is outside of Washington, D.C., jobs that one of our clients has done, all over the neighborhood. So what would happen on this page is this page would pull up, and let's just say Springfield, for example. If I was a prospect, I'd be like, oh man, these guys they're already in my neighborhood. Oh look, I know where that is. They just did a job. It's only 5 minutes from me. Let me give them a call. So, in the back of my mind, I'm like, man, these guys are already doing work in my neighborhood. Let me give them a call. They can probably get here in no time. So this is kind of a next level type thing. I mean, not everybody can implement this and understand, but just something to keep in mind, that even with your ad copy, you want to let them know this kind of circles back to, at your door at 60 minutes and less. You just want to let the person know you're close by and you can help them fix their problem as soon as possible. So that's kind of what the proximity to the customer relates to. Just to kind of step back, I've kind of been rambling for a while, I'm drilling you guys a lot of information, but there's a bunch of key ideas and kind of an overview. I'll just run through these real quick. And that way, if anybody missed anything and wants to take quick notes, have real authentic images, add video if you can. Make sure your reviews are on your homepage, and you can also have a reviews page separately. Make sure you get the basics in order: phone number, top right-hand corner, web form for people that want to fill out the web form, have the credibility and awards, the certifications, the associations, have all that displayed. Make sure your calls to action. You want to encourage somebody to pick up the phone and call you, and have that call to action specific to mold. If it's for mold, water damage. If you guys want to experiment with the discounts or the deductible stuff, like I said, make sure you know the rules and regulations for your service area on that. So I do understand that varies by state, but you can kind of toy with that if you want. Everybody likes a deal, right? Everybody wants a deal. And also keep in mind about the live chat and the proximity to customers and the heat map and those type things. If any of you guys need help from us, or you want us to kind of handle this for you, we couldn't put together a free online marketing plan for you, and that would obviously include we would analyze your website for you to kind of go over what we went over today, and then also take a look at your online reviews, your directory listings, make sure your name, your NAP is consistent, your name, address, phone number. We pull a ranking report for you specific to your location. Full keyword list, based on what your services are. So, if that is something you guys, would want to talk more about and just have us help you do it, we can definitely do that. A lot of people I talk to, they just don't have time to feel like doing it. They're like, Jamie, I'm busy hiring techs. I got way too much on my plate, running around job sites, just handle it. So no problem. That's what we do. Hope you got value out of that video. If you're looking for more ideas and strategies for better ways to market your water, mold, or fire damage restoration business online, you can go to restorationmarketinggroup.com, and there we have a free checklist you can download. It's called the Ultimate Online Marketing Guide for Damage Restoration Contractors. And there you'll be able to get the latest strategies that are working now to really increase your lead flow online. You could probably even 5 to 10x the number of leads you're getting per month from internet marketing. So there should be a link below, restorationmarketinggroup.com, and there you can download the checklist for free of charge, and we'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks.